Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be completing part 2 of the series of video covering the isometric drawing. So in the previous video, we started the drawing in part 1 and we'll be completing the drawing in today's video. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. We thank you for joining us and we're happy that we are part of your educational goals. We will start in the video now. We're going to select this object, enter. Then for the oblique angle, we're going to choose this, that, good. We're going to press enter to get the last command. Going to click this, press control, hold on the control key. We're going to press enter. And then to align it, we're going to turn off snap. We're going to click this line, the end of that line. Good. All right. We're going to also align these two. So we're going to press enter to get the last command. I'm going to click oblique. Then I'm going to click this. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to hold on the control key on the keyboard. I'm going to press enter. Then the angle that I want it aligned with is this line, the 30-degree line. So I'm going to click here, click there, and there it is aligned. All right. I'm going to press enter to get the last command. I'm going to click oblique. What I'm doing, I'm aligning the dimensions properly to the isometric drawing. All right. So I'm going to click these 3 dimensions, enter. Then I'm going to let's go again. Enter to get the last command. I'm going to click oblique. Then I'm going to click these 3 dimensions, right? I want them to be aligned to the drawing properly. All right. So we're going to press enter. And the line that we want it to be aligned is this, and there it is. Good. All right. So what we can do now, we can turn on snap and want to align these. All right. So we click on this. All right. We click on this one. Good. All right, this one, let me see if we can catch it properly. No. All right, so we're going to do this one. Good. All right, this one needs to go up a little bit. And, oh, we need to turn off object snap. So let's go now. So we need to click on this. Good, much better. All right, so we're going to move up to 50. I'm going to turn off snap. All right, I'm going to move it down. All right, much better. All right, the 30, we're going to carry the 30 closer. We're going to turn on snap. I'm going to carry this closer. Good. And there it is now. All right. So these are the dimensions on the isometric drawing. Now what we want to do now, we want to darken the drawing. Okay, we want to change the line weight. So what we're going to do, we're going to click the layer properties icon to get the layer properties manager. Going to press new, and this layer we're going to call it outline. I'm going to change the line weight to 0.3 so that the line weight can be changed. All right. I'm going to press this X to close the layer properties manager. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these lines on the dimensions on a dimension layer. So I'm going to make a layer called dimensions. All right. And I'm going to close this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the dimensions on the dimensions layer. Okay. All right. The X, when I'm finished, I need to move the X. So I'm going to put these on the dimensions layer. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock it and turn it off. Right, so what I can do now, I can select the entire object and I'm going to put it on the outline layer, right? And the reason for doing that is so that I can let the drawing be darker. All right, what I'm going to do, and I'm going to turn on the dimensions. Right, there it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move the X. So I'm going to move, enter. Going to turn off snap. Um, I'm going to make X bigger. So I'm going to go text, single line text. Gonna turn on, okay, gonna choose right here. The height, I'm gonna make it 6 millimeter. Enter. I'm gonna make the X bigger. All right. Right now we need to fix this 30 millimeters, right? So we're gonna center it. So we click on it and then we click here. I'm gonna move it. We're gonna turn. Oh, snap is on. All right. So we're gonna move it there. Good. Then the 30. We're gonna move it also. So we're gonna click here and I'm gonna line it up right there. Good. Now the 30 cannot fit inside. So you see it's looking much better than how we had it before. All right, so good job. Likewise, we're going to center these 30, right? So we're going to put it here. I'm going to turn off snap. Good, isn't that much better? I'm going to move this one too. And this one we can move it up a little, but I think it's okay as is. All right, so we're going to move undo. We're going to move it back. All right, so we're going to turn on snap now and then fix them on the snap. All right, so I'm gonna move this one, put it on the snap. Gonna move this one. All right, that look like it. All right, so this one. All right, so we're gonna work with it like this, okay? We have come to the end of part 2 of the 2 videos covering the isometric drawing. In the next video, we'll be drawing this isometric drawing in third angle projection. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video. And at CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care. Until then, bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.